Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to open the settings. It should be in this upper panel, just tap on this gear icon. If you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this 4 dots icon in the left corner. And now you can find the settings here. Simply tap on them and hold and drag it to this first section, this upper bar, to have much faster access to it. Alright, so let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. Now we have to tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll or you can simply tap on Search Language and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. Now you can choose the specific keyboard layout, so just mark the option like here and tap on Done. And as you can see, we just successfully added the new language to the keyboard. However, before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Basically, after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that hint, that tip, which guides us to this globe icon, thanks to which we will be able to change the keyboard layout, because obviously right now we've got English and Urdu set. So right now we've got the English one, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can easily switch to the Urdu one. What's more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. Alright, so to remove the language, we have to open the settings again, tap on the languages, and now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.